everyone, I'm Ongezwa Ntsepe and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this channel, we discuss everything that has to do with the business, the successes, the failures, and everything in between. And in today's video, we are going to be talking about the INUKA food filer. So let's get into it. INUKA food filer is part of the INUKA food care range. If you want to understand more about the range, do check out the link in the description box where I tell you guys about the food range at large, and I also tell you about how to actually use the products. So do check those videos out. The link is in the description box. So this is the food filer that we are going to be talking about today. So it has this side, that side, and it also has this little thingy over here, and we're going to be talking about those all those three parts in this video. So this product, just like any other INUKA product, you can purchase it on its own, or you can purchase it as a range as a whole. And yeah, so but for me, I always recommend that if you're buying one product, just buy the other product that it comes with, so that you can get the full experience of the product and you can be in a better position to say the product works or it doesn't work, because then you will have all the products that you need to use with it, and you'll be able to follow all the steps that you need to follow in order for to get the full benefit of the product. So we're going to read what INUKA actually says about the product. This information is available in the INUKA product brochure. If you don't have the product brochure, please ask your INUKA distributor to share it with you. If you are an INUKA distributor and you don't have the brochure, do go to Simo and you will find the brochure there. It's under downloads. Yeah, it's under downloads. You get it there. Or you can check out my information in the description box, and I can share the document with you guys. Official name of the product is the multi-purpose food filer, but we're calling it the food filer, but it is the multi-purpose food filer. And then they say about it, uniquely designed food filer with ergonomically twisted handle to provide comfortable use with better grip sensation. So this is what they're actually talking about. If you could see the handle, it's not just straight, but it does curve, and then it is twisted a bit. So if you're holding it, it actually just fits well in your hand, because it's not straight like a knife. It's twisted a bit. I don't know how to, there we go, like that. It is twisted a bit, so it makes it very easy for you to just grab on it. So that's what they are talking about. Let's move on. So the food filer, as I've mentioned, it has 1, 2, 3 sides. So those are the sides that we are going to be talking about now. So the first side that we are going to be talking about is the durable stainless steel filer, which is this side over here. So that's the side we're going to be talking about now. And if you didn't know, you can, it's removable, so that it's easy for you to clean. Put it back. It's easy for you to clean. Oh, sorry. So you can put it back there. You just pull this thingy over here. So you can remove this one as well, so that you can be able to clean it. And then you can just put it back in there. Anyway, let's go back to this side. Durable stainless steel file to remove build-up of dead skin, corns, and color cells on feet and heels. So this is the side. As you can see, it is rough. It is rough, and then it also has this big thingies, and it also has a little tiny ones. So that's what you're using to just go in on your heels as well. And then we're gonna move on to the second side, which is the side over here. It's also, it feels like stone, the side. So this one is the ceramic file. And the use of this one is to smooth and buff out remaining build-up of dead and flaky skin on feet and heels. So before you start with this side, okay, you scrub, and then you move on to this side. Now this side is going to help you to remove anything that was left over from this one. So this is step 1 and this is step 2, and you will see this from the video that is linked down below on how to use the food care range. I do show you guys how to actually use the product. And then let's move on to this little babe right here, which is the third part of the food filer. Okay, this part is called the removable ceramic corn file. So the feel of the feel of this little part right here is the same as the feel of this one, just a bit softer, but it's the same feel as this one. And then it says the use of this one is to remove dead skin near toenails and between toes. So those little parts of your feet that these two cannot fit in or they can't reach, this one you use it on that, and that will be your toes and in between your toes as well, because you can't fit this and this between your toes. It's too big, it's gonna hurt you. So this one is for that. But this one is for that. So you just store all of this here, or you can just take them out, easy to clean, as I've mentioned once again. Now, as I've mentioned, this product you can purchase it on its own, or you can purchase it with the entire foot care range. And I will not be mentioning prices as usual, because INUKA does have recommended prices. INUKA does recommend a 50% profit. However, INUKA distributors do have room to make up their own prices, so I don't mention prices because I don't want you to hear a price for me, and then when you go and order the product you hear a different price, and now you're confused on what it is that is going on. So you must know that they are recommended prices, but people do have space to create their own prices as well. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share this video to the most, and remember, never say no to a crown.